You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for a sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. Of course, summertime, and with summertime we have different things that happen. You know, the car enthusiasts get to work on their car, and summer is the perfect time to add that flair, that special little modification, if you please, just to make your car stand out on these roads. And to share with us today, we have Nicklue, which is world famous Nicklue, who is the king of modifications, and he's here with your baby girl, right?
Yeah.
Poison.
You're smart, man, you know.
His girl, Poison, to share with us, you know, what's happening for the summer.
What's up, man? Respect.
Good.
Every
So
time.
the hair color too for
Yeah, we did change up the hair color from the car show the other day.
Yeah.
So we don't know, it kind of rock with the theme, so yeah.
So you have an idea as to which color you're going to go with, or you just work it up?
Just work with a vibe, man.
Work with a vibe.
Yeah.
But you're on Poison apart today.
Yeah, for sure.
But before we talk about Poison and what you have done to her, famous Poison.
Yeah.
What really got you into modifications of motor vehicles apart from just driving them?
Wow, all right, so shout out to my brothers, Craig and Dwight. Mainly
Literal brothers?
Yeah, man, mainly Craig.
Yeah.
Like, I tell people, growing up, it was like a no-brainer for me. Coming home from school in the days, waking up, you hear drill here, everything and going downstairs. Big up to Craig for that. Craig got into modifying cars and stuff like that, and I just pretty much follow suit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the car culture right now following that kind of trend of modification of cars? So explain that.
Yeah, right now, I mean, Jamaican car scene has pretty much went from here to there.
Right.
So much more people doing modifications. I mean, there's a lot happening in motorsports right now. It's a good tourism factor as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, there's just a lot going on, Doctor. Like, I mean, when we talk about supercars, we talk about old school cars, we talk about off-road. Jamaica does a vibe when it comes on to cars. I mean, I have people from overseas wanting to bring cars out here just to be a part of the vibe, you know?
Can you modify any car though, or it has to be of a certain year or a certain brand, or any car me drive come here, you know, and just throw the key.
Yeah.
You can.
I mean, that's a good thing about cars. They're actually engineered, so once your mind can conceive it, you can achieve it. So long story short, yes, any car can modify, like anything, because once it's a shell, it has a chassis. You can put most times any engine in it. You can add any modifications. There's so many people in Jamaica building cars now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have Time Bomb out of the countryside area.
Right.
We have other friends, Skilly Bang build a go-kart too, which is Skilly the artist, so him a bad everyday go-kart. So there's so much ingenuity in this country that anything is possible.
You know, while we're here with Poison, you can kind of go through and let us know the modifications that you have done to her. Just like how every summer there's a new trend we come on to dressing and clothing. For this summer, is there a modification trend that persons are following, or a season of modification trends that we're currently in?
Well, I mean, all right, so just for argument's sake, say Poison.
Right.
We just recently changed the wrap, which is the exterior of it.
Right.
So the beauty about wrapping cars is you can always change up the vibe of it.
Right.
So if you want to change it up for Christmas, summer, Easter, anytime.
So wrap is not like a Christmas present we're talking about?
No, we're not talking about that.
But it's almost the same concept that you don't need to paint the car.
So it's not paint.
It's not paint.
It's vinyl.
It's vinyl.
Yeah, so it's sticker. So pretty much this is sticker. So this can be removed, and it's not easily removed like what people might think, that you just peel it off like a sticker. No, it actually adheres to the paint.
But it's cheaper to wrap a car and remove it?
No.
It's not?
No,
it
isn't.
So it's not like we can wrap it this week and say, next month we can re-wrap it.
No.
I can, but it's going to be...
It's going to cost you.
Right.
Yeah, because it's a process.
Which one is more expensive?
Wrapping.
It's more expensive?
Yeah, than spraying a car.
Is it more durable?
No. Paint is actually more durable. But the beauty about wrapping is that if you have a brand new car, you bought it in a color that you never like, you can put it in a color you like. So you don't have to worry about it damaging the paint and all of that type of stuff.
All right, so we could talk about poison a little bit because when you're talking about cars and shit, they're just open for us.
All right, well, this is Poison. It's a 2022 BMW M340i. Right. So this is the model before the M. I went with this platform. It was an inspiration from one of my friends that passed away in New York. This engine is called a B58. This is a 6-cylinder, right, 3-liter engine. We did a turbo upgrade to it. So initially, when we got the car, it didn't come with this. So this is a major upgrade to it.
Right, and this is?
This is a turbocharger. Ooh. So what this does is push more air into the engine.
Right.
Yeah.
So even though it's not an M?
No, right now.
It's M-like?
No, right now, I tell you.
Yeah.
I don't need an M with this. I built this.
It's an NMOP QR
STO, yeah.
STO.
Yeah, man. It's an all like alphabet, them, right?
You're right.
Yeah, and this car is basically, we took this car from a bone stock image. So pretty much the front bumper is different. We change the intake manifold on it. We change out the interior. If you look inside the interior, we actually even delete the back seats. You know, it's a 4-door, but it's a 2-seater. You understand?
The 4-door was a 2-seater.
Yeah.
Yeah. I could see what's going on.
And, so this is carbon. We did this carbon fiber seat in here.
Right.
Yeah. So pretty much.
So this is not for sitting down.
No, it's not for sitting down. We did this because we want weight reduction.
Ooh.
Right. And then if you see this trunk, this is also a carbon fiber trunk.
Right.
We changed this trunk as well. So this is a lighter trunk now. What the car comes with. The exhaust system is changed. Suspension, rims. Shout outs to Vasson that they sponsored these wheels. So this is a company out of the States that we got these wheels from.
What size rims are these?
These are 20s.
20s?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
When persons are making modifications to the car, are there any mistakes or common mistakes you have seen that persons are not as experienced make?
Yeah, because some cars you just don't want to like mess with, you know? Some cars are domestic cars, some cars you just don't want to play with. So you might find a man go tune a car with really and truly never built for that engine might blow up. And I don't mean like blow up like in smoke.
Right.
And pretty much pistons and everything get fried. There's a lot of modifications that people do to cars that pretty much.
Make we hear her?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Make we hear what's going on. Listen, this is Nicklue's car. It's not everybody. I'm sure it's Nicklue's driver's seat only know him.
Yeah.
So Nick, I drive a Honda Civic. My car can sound like this now?
Of course. The beauty, that's the next thing with some brands.
Right.
They're easy to modify, and Honda is one of those brands.
Honda is one of those brands.
Honda, Toyota, Nissan, you know, just to name a few. And I mean the Germans, we're not talking about the football side, man. We're talking about the car name. The Germans have now pretty much mastered the art of just being able to allow people to modify the BMWs. Yeah, because fun fact, if you're a Honda owner,
right,
it's like a step. So you move from Honda to BMW, then to Porsche. So it's like a elevation.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Poison. Of course, where can people find you on social media?
I'm on Nicklue_Skunk Lifestyle on Instagram. Skunk Lifestyle. That's SKVNK on YouTube. I'm on all social media platforms.
And which team are you supporting for World Cup?
One Messi, you know.
Go rev the car. Go rev the car. Listen. Hey. You hear that, man?
That's a turbocharger here.
This is the turbocharger here, right?
Yeah, that whistle like a peanut cat?
Yeah. You know what I'm going to do? You're going to do that again later on, and I'm going to record it.
All right.
And I'm going to put it in my vehicle through the radio. And then when I drive up beside the car like that.
Definitely.
I just go so.
You don't have to do that, man. Just give me a link, man. I won't make anything we have fast.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Anything?
Yeah, and shout out to JCF too. I love what the commissioner is doing for Motorsports right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. They're playing an integral part, and we want to partner with them to get more youths to understand that we race on their tracks and not on the roads. Yeah.
You hear that? Listen, we'll take a quick break. Do a quick, and next over again. And nice. Yo, Nick, grab that up, Nick. What mechanical? We'll zoom forward.
See that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.